Alright, welcome everyone. Nice to see you here. Another video on an airsoft gun. This time it's a non-blowback, gas, CO2 powered Ruger Mk2 replica by ASG, as you can see right here. Mine's two-tone obviously because I do not have a car license yet. One day, maybe next year. Probably next year. So I got it in green. I like it. I like the green ones. Also, I'm getting them in green because they obviously kind of blend in better with the brush, and when I do go skirmishing I'm probably going to use my own things, so I don't want to run around with a bright blue airsoft gun. That'd be dumb. But yes, the gun. Obviously Ruger Mk2 replica, non-blowback, CO2 powered, 6mm, best to use 0.25 gram BBs. I'm just going to go over the box really just now. Fiber optic front sight, adjustable hop up, fluted outer barrel. It's really nice looking, looks really cool. And let's get to the gun. Well, gun. So, mine, I've been using mine a lot. It's fun, it's really nice, handles nicely. This is the magazine obviously, it's got the CO2 cartridge section here. Standard Allen key, what's that called? Allen key, what? No? I don't know, screw? Whatever. Allen key is needed to tighten this so it can actually use the gas. Slide it in, tighten it up, good to go. Its magazine capacity, I'm not actually not sure about it. It's like 20, about 20. About 20? Well, maybe 23, something like that. It's a really nice magazine. It's metal, so it's nicely weighted, feels good. And that's pretty much the gist of it. It's a magazine, you know what it is. Let's go into the gun itself. So, like we said already, non-blowback, so you can't cock it, can't rack it or anything like that. It works as if it was an open bolt gun, but obviously it's not. Just in the way that as soon as the magazine's in it, it's ready to fire. So I guess it's not an open bolt gun. I'm done. Never mind. It's got a nice design on the barrel here. There's like indentations to it. Looks pretty cool, I suppose. The sight, as you can see, the foresight has the fiber optic illumination feature, I guess. The barrel, you know, it looks nice. The whole top of the, is that the receiver? I think it is coloured for me. Like I said, no car license. It's got safety on the side here, fire, and safe. It's not ambidextrous though, so it's not on the other side. So if you're left-handed, just, you know, try it better. It's got a marking on it. Where is it? Yeah, it's got a marking here on it. It just says, I don't know if you can see that. Nah, not really. Ah, no, there it goes. Woohoo! ASG 6 cal. There's a number there. Let's see. Oh, it says BB. That makes sense. All right. So it's just saying what it is. It's pretty nice. FPS gets just over 400. I think it's about 412, give or take 10%, which is pretty top tier. That is running low. I'm pretty sure the gas in there, so mine's probably getting a little bit under 400. But yes, it's pretty top tier. On the site that I got it, Patrol Base, it advertises it as where is it? Almost silent operation. It's not. It's loud. Not as loud as like, well, a blank gun obviously, but it's more loud than a green gas airsoft gun, or obviously a Springer. So that's kind of weird that they can say that, but I don't really care. What else can you really go over in this thing? I don't know. It's got a really nice grip to it, nice feel. Most of it's metal actually. I think all but lower handguard, or not handguard, hand grip, trigger, I think might be plastic. Basically everything on top is metal, and that might go for the internals as well. I haven't taken it apart yet. Yeah, because that's metal as well. So yeah, I think everything on the top metal, below plastic. So it's got a nice weight to it. It feels really good. Obviously, you know, you can just pull the trigger straight off the bat because it's not loaded, and because you don't need to rack it. As soon as the magazine's in, it's good to go. So it's pretty good in that way, I guess, if you're trying to reload it quickly. You don't need to mess around with racking it or anything. Yeah, I'll shoot it. See if I can shoot it right now, actually. Alright, that's grass out there. Safe to shoot that. And it's my garden, so. So yeah. Again, I don't think there's much left in this bulb, to be honest, so I reckon it's probably going to die soon. But yeah, loading it, obviously just, load it as a regular airsoft gun. I mean, use a speed loader, but for the sake of this, I'm only putting 2 shots in it. No point in using a speed loader for that. And then, this is going to be a really awkward way to shoot it. Loads in, nice snug fit in the magazine, safety off. I'll shoot it left-handed actually. Actually see what I'm doing with it. Oh, birds. I didn't shoot the birds, don't worry. And yeah, that's it. Nice gun, and as well. Fun to use. And yeah. So this was an ASG Mk2 Ruger replica 6mm CO2 powered airsoft gun. Non-blowback. Top tier. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. And goodbye.